In this video, we will show you how to successfully nest multi-unit bridges in blocks. It is intended for advanced users of dental CAM. First, you need to select the block type. I will choose a standard zirconia block. And because we want to mill a 4-unit bridge, I'm going to select a length of 40 millimeter. Note that the block type may impose restrictions on the permitted objects. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Our zirconia has a scaling factor of 1.2420 according to the manufacturer, so we'll enter this value. We'll confirm the scaling factor. Now we need to import our STL file. That's our 4-unit bridge. We'll import the object as a bridge with reduced detail, and for optimal veneering options, we'll choose the fast processing quality. Here we are. First, let's check the cavities. All cavities were marked correctly. Okay, here's the thing. In this default position, there isn't enough space to set stable bars on the labial or the lingual side of the bridge, and we certainly don't want to place bars on the contact surfaces. So let's reposition the object. For this, we'll disable the placement aid. This will allow us to freely move the bridge. We do not need to change the orientation. The current orientation will allow us to set bars on the convex surfaces on the labial side of the teeth. We'll move the bridge down as far as possible so that there is enough space at the top. We will now place 2 partially reduced bars on the left and the right unit. They will keep the bridge in place after machining. We will position the bar 1 millimeter above the preparation line. As always, we will try to prevent undercuts. Now we will set 2 fully reduced bars on the 2 remaining units. They will stabilize the object during milling and then get fully removed. Done. If you cannot set enough bars on the top side, it is often possible to set a bar on the right bottom side of the object. But this is not necessary here, so I'll delete the bar right away. Let's calculate and mill the object. If you want to check the object in the residual material display before milling, wait until it has been fully calculated. This is the milled restoration directly out of our Z4. For the complete manual, visit dentalportal.info/cam. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.